What's up guys, Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com, back with a different kind of video for you today. So in this video I'm going to be speed modeling out and rendering a space inside of SketchUp. And so one of the things that I've always struggled with inside of SketchUp and my rendering engines is having a finite number of steps to follow when I'm creating a rendering, right? So you kind of want to go start to finish, and when you go start to finish, there's some things that you sometimes forget to do. And so when you forget those steps, then things about your rendering can look a lot less realistic. So what I've done is inside of the SketchUp Essentials community, I've just released a brand new training called 10 Steps to a Better Rendering in any rendering program. And what I wanted to do is I really wanted to break down the steps to creating a realistic rendering no matter what program you're using. So if you're using V-Ray, if you're using Inkscape, if you're using Lumion, these are the steps that I would follow to go from the very beginning to a completed rendering. And so what I've done is I've broken that down into steps and I've explained them inside of that training, as well as I've also created a checklist that you can download. And so the checklist basically gives you all of the steps that you can follow along with. And so when you're creating a rendering, you would just go through and you would just check off the different steps as you go. And so what this does is this creates a system that you can follow so that you have consistent results in your renderings every time. And so I break down exactly why you're doing these things inside of your rendering engine, just so that you can see exactly what the point of the steps are so that you can use them in order to make your renderings better. So if you're interested in checking this out, I'm actually offering a free trial of the SketchUp Essentials community. So that's my learning community for SketchUp, where you can go to ask questions, get training, and get the help that you need. So if you want to learn how to use SketchUp, that is a great place to go. This training is one of the trainings contained in the training section inside of that community. Again, that's 100% free trial. So you can go in, you can check out all the trainings, you can check out the community forums, you can jump onto the SketchUp Q&A calls where I answer live SketchUp questions as well. So if you're ready to finally start taking your SketchUp modeling and your rendering to the next level, go check out the SketchUp Essentials community at TheSketchUpEssentials.com/free. That's where you're going to be able to enter your information, get that 30-day risk-free trial. So you can go in and try absolutely everything the community has to offer. Hopefully I will see you there. I am really excited to see what people are able to create with this method. And so hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video and I'll be happy to try to answer them. So as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Enjoy the rest of the video and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.